and the insurance was giving quite a bit of pushback, but you really helped get us through, and now we're here and we're installing. So
Solo voy a aullar. All right. Join us. Ow!
Hey, what's a hachi? Hey, what's a hachi? Hey, what's a hachi? Hey, what's a hachi? How are you today, guys? Today we are here with Mrs. Gloria. Basically, we helped her to the insurance claim process for the last hail here in Waxahachie. It was April of this year. We got this roof totally paid by them, and it was a kind of quick process. You know, it's not easy to do an insurance claim, but if you work with the right contractor, everything will be good, okay? And so really quick, Mrs. Gloria, what was your experience with BlueSun Services?
you know, my experience was really seamless and smooth. I really appreciated all the help. There was a couple of questions that I had that you helped answer, and the insurance was giving quite a bit of pushback, but you really helped get us through, and now we're here and we're installing. So more than anything, I really appreciate the help that you gave me with the insurance. It was very good, and I'm excited. Thank you.
Yeah. Guys, if you need something about your insurance claims, if the insurance denied, or you don't know what's going on in your house, call me to 214-286-1189. Ivan Torres with BlueSun Services, okay?